Hello, friends. Let me share with you the journey of exploring my objective self. The journey of my subjective self began with the question of who am I? Am I a bundle of thoughts? Am I a bundle of emotions? Or am I a bundle of habits? Let's explore. My thoughts are the subjective opinions held by me about myself. I believe that I am a bundle of thoughts. I am an independent being and does not depend on anyone else but me. I am self centered, being obsessed with my own beliefs I hold for me. I am independent to think, feel, and to do the way I want. I am worried about how I should behave with others. I judge people on the basis of how they relate to me. What I believe is right, even if I change my opinion the other day, still I am right. I opine that I have to behave differently with different people according to their likings. Everybody has a different idea about who I am. It's just painful to compare myself with others because there are a lot of people better than me. Life is so difficult. Then I consoled myself. I looked inside with the objective mirror. What people think about me are just their temporary thoughts. I wonder why do I think that I am so important that everybody is so much bothered to think about me? I want to be happy, but I know how can I make myself happy is the most miserable thought I have. Is there a universal way to think about myself and with others that make me and all others happy? How can I be at peace with myself and others? Yes, I can. That's important. I got it. It's by loving all. So, my subjective feelings highlighted that I am a bundle of emotions. I love my family. I love my fellow beings. I even love strangers. I love the whole universe. But I dislike if they are ethically wrong, if they are morally wrong, and if they are really wrong. I console myself again, friends. Whether happiness is more important for me or being right is more important for me. Then my subjective actions denoted that I am a bundle of habits. I like my habits because they assist me like a servant to carry out my duties. I like my habits because they relax me finish the task without my knowledge. I like my habits because they do the task very speedily. But what if my habits are not suitable for a particular task? If they are of no use to me in new situations? I am stressed, feel helpless, feel incapable, restless. Wait. I have a way out. I discovered my objective self. Here I realized that I am an objective being. I am the smallest particle of this universe and not its center to create and organize people in terms of how they relate to me. I have no right to make judgments about people and form rigid opinions. Everybody is the creation of God, and I have no right to hold grudges against anyone. I shall try and learn new ways of doing things. However, it may be hard one day and it would be easy the other day. And friends, this is how I explored my alluring journey and I'm still continuing. Thank you.